Okay, I just went to Montopolis Supply to get angle iron and this 3-inch square tubing. This is 1/3 of what I bought. I bought a 24-foot long section because you can only buy it by the whole section. And I'm going to use roughly half of the whole thing. And then I'll have some square tubing for something else that I build later. But I had to take my new cordless angle grinder with a cutoff wheel and cut the thing into 3 8-foot sections. And now here's one of these, and I'm going to cut it in half again so that I can start to make really precise cuts on my table saw. Do this again. Okay. It starts to wear down on the wheel, and then there gets to where there's less and less of it. Okay, last section. Yep. My tripod is in Elgin. It's hard to get this thing just right. good. Side to what I did the first one. There was a point when I got halfway through it and it released some of the tension in it, and you could hear it pop open, which I find interesting. And now, let's take this other one, just put it in the same spot in terms of the end of it. These two are both pretty well lined up. Now I take this one out. Next one. This clamp is so that when I need to grab it and pull it out of the way, my hand is not near the spinning blade. Very similar. So I'll just make both of these pieces the same. But then, look at my hands. Well, I went online to find an arc length, chord length calculator for circles to figure out that this 12-inch ruler needed to be deformed to where this is about 11.5 inches from there to there to simulate the curvature of my cooking tank, which has a 24-inch diameter. Diameter, is that the right word? Yes. So anyway, I'm going to use this to describe my lines. It just has to be more or less accurate. It doesn't have to be super perfect, because obviously nothing's perfect about this whole thing. This is very approximate, y'all. Very approximate. There we go. This isn't, yeah, like I said, it doesn't have to be exact. I just didn't want a straight, flat plane trying to meet with the curvature of the side of the cook chamber. I'm curious how well this will fit when I actually make it. You probably can't see this line that I've scribed in it, but I'm just going to try to get to the line with the angle grinder and then find some way to clear it. Okay, that's going to get boring pretty fast. So let me speed it up for you. And now to try using the grinding attachment. Oh, that was interesting. What just happened there? Here's the kind of the progress so far. Just kind of roughing it in. What I want to do now is take this to my old, rusting, falling apart offset smoker, which my brother-in-law kindly donated to me. This has a 16-inch radius, which is a tighter curve. So I'm just kind of curious how it stacks up to this. That looks more or less correct. I won't know until I get it to my actual cook chamber. There, I tried to stack these flush right on top of each other and then kind of grind them together. And that's the part that's going to match the curvature of the cooking chamber, I hope. Got to clean them up some more before I can weld to them.